Hi guys, many of y'all must be seeing me or listening to my voice for the first time. So yeah, this is me, Atharva Salgaonkar. Before starting the tutorial, I would like to tell you the reason why I had created this tutorial. I wanted to tell you how I had created this image. I repeat, I had created this image and this image was not clicked. So now let's see how I had created this image.
First, import an image with your main subject in front of a sky or a plain background to Lightroom. The edits I am doing to this image will not be applicable for all images. Some things might change, but the main thing is to make your subject darker and the background should be white. Play with the highlights and shadows, increase the contrast, adjust the curves and try to get the best image you can get. Even if there is some color in the background, for example the sky, the blue color, you can convert it into white by simply increasing the luminance and then increasing the whites. Now export the image with the highest available quality. Here comes the second part of editing. Open the background image in Picsart and crop it if you wish to. Then go in Draw option and draw a surface or anything. Then add the exported image of the subject from Lightroom and blend the image with darken option. And place it wherever you think it would look good. To make it look more good, I added 2 grass PNGs to the image. You can add whatever you wish as it all up to your imagination. And then save the final image.
If you got to learn something new from this video, do like this video. If you think your friends will like this video too, do share it with them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.